we've just acquired is absolutely stunning. BMW X1. It's the M Sport. It's the X Drive 2-litre diesel. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels, diamond cut. It literally has just arrived. Front park distance control, full M Sport body styling. It's got the privacy glass. It's the facelift model. This car is absolutely looks lovely. Twin exhausts, rear deeper diffuser, rear park distance control. Wheels will be refurbished, diamond cut the way they are. Electric tailgate. See the boot area is lovely. It's got the benefit of the full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. So we've got 3-stage heated seats, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Car also has satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone prep, full media pack, radio with DAB, climate control, different driving styles, full iDrive, nice little centre armrest here. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.